Oh, hi.
Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this keychain which accompanies my Dumbo coin purse. This is a collaboration with Budget Hobby, so make sure you check out her adorable Dumbo plushie and camera box at the end of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Let's get started by making Dumbo's hat. You'll need about 3 grams of wool total, so take about half of that and roll it up into a cylinder shape and then felt it into a little cone. You can leave the bottom of it a little bit fluffy. Next, take the remaining 1.5 grams of yellow wool and felt it flat onto the mat. Then fold the edges in and felt it down again. Now this is going to become the brim of the yellow hat, so you want to wrap it around the bottom of the cone and then poke to attach it. You'll have to work with the wool a little bit to get it to fit the cone and make it the right shape. If you need to, cut off any excess wool and then felt it down. When you're done, it should look something like this. Let's make Dumbo's camera. You're going to need about 2 grams of black wool and 1 gram of light brown wool. We're going to use a stencil to make the camera. You want to cut out a piece of cardboard that's 5 inches long by 1.5 inches high. Then measuring lengthwise, mark the cardboard at 1-inch increments. Then you're going to fold it up along those marks that you just made. And you want to fold it up into this square shape. Tape your mold shut and then fill it up with black wool and start felting. Poke the wool like this for a couple of minutes and then flip it over and poke on the other side. You want to continue to flip and poke your wool until it starts to get firm, and then at that point you can take it out and work on the edges. It took me about 5 to 7 minutes to make this piece. And now I'm going to start firming up the edges because it's hard to get these sides when it's inside of the mold. Once your piece is relatively firm, you want to take a strip of light blue wool and felt it across the top of the camera. You want to cover the top of the black camera like a little cap. If you have any black wool poking through, then use some more blue wool to cover it up until you're satisfied with the look. Then you want to take a little strip of blue wool that you've twisted up and felt on a lens. Then take a tiny piece of black wool and felt on a shutter button to the top corner of the camera. To further define the lens, I'm just taking a little piece of black wool and felting it into the center of my camera lens, just so that you can see the contrast of the blue against the black more clearly. Now I'm going to show you how to convert these needle felted pieces into keychains. So to make this keychain, I'm actually using a gold chain, which is for a charm bracelet. You're also going to need 2 jump rings. You'll also need 2 eye pins and 2 pearl beads, and I also found this cute black leather tassel at my local craft store. The first step is to attach jump rings. Using some pliers, open up the jump ring. Then take your single felting needle and poke a hole through your needle felted piece where you're going to insert the jump ring. Then you're going to slide your jump ring through the hole that you just made, like this. Close up your jump ring and then slip a small piece of wool through the center. Now take your single needle and felt that wool down. This will help to secure your jump ring. Now it's all ready to be attached to a keychain. Do the same for the camera. And then once you're ready, you can open up the jump rings again and attach them to the keychain like this. And then just close up the jump ring using pliers or your fingers. You can use this technique to convert any needle felted piece into a charm or keychain. I bought this tassel pre-made at my craft store, and I'm just going to attach it the same way. And now I'll show you how to attach these little pearl beads. You're going to need an eye pin and a pearl bead, so just slip the pearl onto the eye pin and then bend the eye pin at an angle, and you want to wrap the wire around your pliers so it looks kind of like an earring, and then insert it into the chain and twist the remaining wire around the base right next to the pearl. You can use your pliers to clamp it down and cut off any excess wire using wire cutters, and then use your pliers again to clamp down the raw edge of that wire so it doesn't poke you. So that's all. Now you can attach your keychain to your Dumbo coin purse. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the red button in the bottom corner and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Now head on over to Budget Hobby's channel and learn how to make this adorable Dumbo plushie that comes with a camera box. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to Budget Hobby's channel. I'll put all the links in the description box down below.